All right. We got a question from one of the guests tonight. It is about refinances. So based on operations, how does the refinance, or how can you boost operations to help you refinance?
Yeah, I mean, the refi is all about your current NOI, right? So a lot of people, let's say you're buying a deal, well, the lender will underwrite the deal based on the appraisal. So they'll look at the pro forma, they'll look at the appraisal's expenses, things like payroll, things like R&M. So they'll cut those pretty bare bones. But then when you go to do a refi, let's say you're in a bridge loan, they're actually going to look at your T12. So we've got a lot of management companies here tonight, and we're talking about expense control and getting payroll. If your payroll on a T12 is $2,000 a door, that's what the lender is going to underwrite.
So you need to get that down to $1,200 a
You
door.
need to get down to $1,200, that you budgeted $1,200 a door, but your T12 is $1,500. They're going to use that number on your refi.
So the refis aren't pro forma. They're based on actual in place, what you're going with at the...
Yeah, so they're going to look at in place, T3, but then they're also going to look at the only things that are going to pro forma really are taxes, and then they're going to pro forma your insurance. So those two things, but everything else is essentially going to be T12. So your utility bills, your payroll, all that's going to be T12, and that's going to be put in there to determine if you can refi out of your bridge.